Are you ready to start a career that blends problem-solving, business insights, and technology? Welcome to our guide on how to become a Salesforce Business Analyst. My name is Vadim. I'm a certified Salesforce Admin and Business Analyst at ENWAY. We help businesses automate sales using Salesforce CRM. Okay, let's go. According to Glassdoor, as of August 2024, a Salesforce Business Analyst in the United States earns an average annual salary of $106,000. Not too bad, right? So who is a Salesforce Business Analyst? A business analyst, or BA, helps businesses optimize their use of Salesforce by understanding their needs and providing solutions through the platform. But how is this different from a Salesforce admin role? A Salesforce admin focuses on managing the platform's day-to-day operations, like setting up users, configuring security settings, and maintaining system functionality. In contrast, a Salesforce BA bridges the gap between business needs and technical solutions by analyzing business processes and recommending how Salesforce can solve specific challenges. As a Salesforce BA, your day-to-day responsibilities include gathering requirements. You'll meet with key stakeholders to understand their goals and translate them into Salesforce capabilities. Customizing Salesforce. You'll work with developers or use your own knowledge to configure the Salesforce platform to meet business needs, like creating reports or automating processes. Testing and implementation. Once the system is customized, you will ensure everything works correctly and is ready for use. Training users. You'll help train employees on how to use Salesforce effectively and make sure they are comfortable with new features. Monitoring and improving. You'll continuously check how Salesforce is performing and look for ways to improve efficiency. Now, let's break down the 6 steps you need to follow to become a Salesforce Business Analyst. Step 1. Learn Salesforce. If you're new to the platform, start by exploring Salesforce Trailhead, a free learning tool provided by Salesforce. It offers guided learning paths or trails to help you build your skills. Focus on understanding the basics of Salesforce, how it can be customized, and how businesses use it. Consider starting with Salesforce Administrator certification to get a solid base. Step 2. Gain hands-on experience. Learning theory is important, but hands-on experience is what really makes a difference. You can start by volunteering for non-profit organizations that use Salesforce. Alternatively, you can look for entry-level roles, such as a Salesforce administrator or junior business analyst. This will expose you to real-world problems and the opportunity to apply your skills. Step 3. Develop business skills. To become a successful Salesforce BA, you need to understand more than just platform. You also need solid business analysis skills. Start by learning how businesses operate, studying areas like project management, business processes mapping, and data analysis. Understanding business pain points and having a strategic mindset are essential to offering the right solutions. Step 4. Get certified. Certifications are a great way to demonstrate your expertise. Once you have some experience, aim for certifications like Salesforce Certified Business Analyst. This will set you apart from other candidates and show employers that you have both the technical skills and the business knowledge to succeed in the role. Step 5. Build a strong resume and apply for jobs. Now that you have gained skills and experience, it's a time to apply for jobs. Create a resume that highlights your Salesforce expertise, business knowledge, and relevant projects. Tailor it to each job by focusing on the skills listed in the job description. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Salesforce job board to find openings. Prepare for interviews by practicing how you solve business challenges using Salesforce. Step 6. Remember about networking. Joining Trailblazer community groups can help you connect with other professionals, share experiences, and stay informed about the latest trends and tools. Start by attending Salesforce user group meetings in your area, where you will meet like-minded professionals and even learn about new job opportunities. Don't forget about online networking. For example, LinkedIn is an excellent platform to connect with other Salesforce experts, recruiters, and potential employers. Now that you know how to become a Salesforce Business Analyst, it's time to start your journey. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Salesforce tips.